Hi guys, and welcome to a brand new video from Munich-Ai. I'm Patrick and I'm really happy that you're looking at my video. Today in this video I wanted to present you my currently most favorite bot, like the ICP. This is a coin, DCA future bot. And this bot, I want to explain really quick why it has achieved for me already over 60% in the last 3 or 4 weeks. So this is a really impressive gain. But as you know, future bots are really dangerous and you can get liquidated really fast. So there's just like a few really important steps I want to present you in this video, how you also can set up your own safe future bot. But keep in mind, nothing is 100% safe. There's like a certain risk, but I will try to minimize it and explain you where is it the most danger. So at first I want to present you my results. So this is the ICP bot on 3 commas, which is running on Bybit, yeah, ICP. I will show you the history. And this is like the last week. So you can see $20, 44. With every trade, we're getting really good profits. So the start capital basically of this bot is around 250, which has like our common long-term strategy settings you find on Munich-Ai.com on the long-term strategy. And we use this because this has like a really good average profit rate and a drop down of 60 in the standard settings. And you need a really few or low invest capital. So this is one of my most favorite settings. And if you're interested in the settings, just go to our website. There you can buy it, and I help you to set it up for just only 60 euros or dollars. Okay, I will show you the strategy and the bot. So on our backtester Munich-Ai, which you also will find on the website, I have set up the strategy to ICP, and you will see here the gains, like 518% for the last month. This is like in 200 days roughly, and it's really important to know it's not compounded. So the initial capital you need, it's like with a small leverage, is 248, 5.3. Here on our ultimate backtester, we set up the settings for this bot, and then we put like the leverage, like the 10x. 10x is a really good one, not too high, and we can calculate our risk. Yeah. So keep in mind that we started with 248 and we achieved in the last 200 days like 580%, which is really impressive. So I was testing a lot of other coins, but the volatility of this coin is one of the best. And if I just quickly deactivate the strategy and show you this coin on the long term, you can see the potential, how high it was and where it actually is right now. Yeah, it's quite low, really low. But look at this uptrend. This is a really massive uptrend. Okay, we broke down a bit this little uptrend, but I'm pretty sure we will come back and see much higher rates in the future. So let's switch back on the 50-minute time frame. Okay, starting the strategy. Yeah, you see a lot of buys, sells, and filling up the safety orders gives profits. And I'm really waiting for some movement like this, but this makes a lot of gains. And if imagine this will be used compounded. Okay, switch to the strategy on 3 commas. As I said, I've set it up here on Bybit. And the important thing is what you have to do, not only set it up here, and I go to the settings. The most important thing is when you add it, you need to know how much you want to use for the bot. So normally you start with 10, base order and safety order 10. But if you use leverage like 10x, then you put in here the multiplied start capital. So if I start with 10, I have a 10x leverage, I put in here 100. So this basically means this bot still needs 250 from your capital, but you're trading with 10x more per base and safety. So in total, the bot is using this multiplied by 10, but you're lending like the money, it's like a future trading, but you actually need the 249. So this is what 3 commas is telling you, what you need for this bot, right? But if you will use this and the bot will drop to 60% down, then much earlier your money is gone. And this is really important to know. But how do I know where I get liquidated and how can I avoid it? There's a certain website I will show you, which is called Binance Future Anti-Liquidation Bot Calculator. This website has been turned off since a while, but it's possible to find it on Web Archive. I will put the link in the description of the video and also on our Discord channel and to explain this more in detail. So once you're on the website, you exactly put in your strategy settings you have, right? So the 7 max or the max safety trades count and so on. And then it is really important for the bot. Basically, the start capital you need is 250, yeah. But you trade not with 10 because of 10x leverage. You trade with 100, 100 based on safety order, okay? And the leverage you put to 10, and then see what happens. So now we're trading with this. Look down. Uh, Suddenly the website tells you you not only need like the 250, but you also need a wallet reserve for cross leverage trading of 825. So this means if you only would have like the 250 now in your bank account or in your exchange, you can use like the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth safety order, yeah. But then suddenly if the sixth safety order is triggered because we are below minus 38%, it's red, and this means your position with all the filled safety orders hits minus 100%, and boom, you're getting liquidated. So we want to avoid this, and therefore you need to be sure you have at least this amount of money in your wallet. Otherwise, you're getting liquidated. But once you have this money on your exchange, then you never need to worry to hit like minus 60% of this bot. And then you can just like use this bot, make this as impressive amounts of profit, and just trade. Nothing will happen until this amount. Yeah. So this is really, really important to know. This website tells you when you're getting liquidated. Yeah. It's not only that is what the most people are doing wrong by leverage trading. They think, okay, I have like 249 and I want to trade, and now I put in my bot, put like 10x, and then I can just like normal trade and cover 60%. No, it's not like that. Yeah, you're getting liquidated much earlier after the 5% or after the 5 safety order. So this website therefore is really, really useful. So, and I got this information here. I have this yeah, money on my exchange, and now I can start trading. Yeah? And now I started to make like really, really nice gains. I hit it once, like the I think fourth safety order. Yeah, like now I had the fourth safety order right before I mostly got the third safety order, but this is totally fine because it makes me a lot of profits. But now I have the fourth safety order, and I'm really, really confident because I already made like 150 USDT profit, and therefore I'm also more safe over the minus 60%. So you can also calculate here if you put like the 1074, now you save until the seventh safety order, and then you can calculate even, okay, I want to put like another 40% to cover 100%, and then you need much more, like 2700 and so on. So, but this is not necessary. So yeah, I hope you get my idea what to do with like by setting up a future leverage bot. But once you have done that, this is really, really massive gains. And in this market, I'm pretty sure this coin will not go down until 61 or 65. And then if you use the reinvest function of 3 commas, yeah, this is a really high potential because let me quickly tell you, you made like 518 percentage in 200 days. And if we calculate this back, so this means 500 I mean, it's just average, right? Divided to 200. So this is like 2.59% per day. And then if you think we will even not hit um, the 60%, you can make the bot like a bit more aggressive, for example. Like you say you cover 32, for example, and then look, we have 907. And if you have enough balance in your wallet to cover this, just imagine 907 percentage. And now calculate this. 907 divided to 200, 4.535. 4.535. Remember this. 4.535. This is like a compounding calculator. We start with 248.53 and we make a daily growth of 4.535, and then we trade like this 208 days because it was shown here 208 days. And then let me tell you in this time how much you would have made. If this will happen, okay, I'm finished working, so I will quit my job. So let's also take the other possibility, like the really safe way. I'm trading now, and we put it back to the normal number, and then we made like I think it was something like 2 point, but let me calculate it back correctly. So 500 divided to 208, which is like let's say 2.5% in average, 2.5, and then on 208 days, 42,000 euros. So I will let this bot run and keep you updated from time to time if we are lucky. If we will see, like in this coin, a massive gain, like we have seen before, like this massive uptrend, and I'm pretty sure, let me show you, And I'm pretty sure we even hit like this area and not that far away of a time, so which is like a massive gain of, yeah, let's say 300, 200 percentage, because he's always trying to break out in top. And before, when we made like this 500 percentage, this was only a gain of like 100, 120 percentage. So, well, let's go back a bit. Yeah, 200, 250. So the possibility is quite high. I'm really confident of this bot. I'm pretty happy with the results, and I'm really looking forward into the future. So if you if you need help to setting up this bot and other bots, and especially like a future bot, of course, of your own risk, I will just give you the ideas and the things I found out and I use. You can also go to our website, go to the shop, or and here you can buy the long-term strategy or the ultimate backtester. Or on the other hand, I can directly help you if you book a service, and we will set up this bot yeah, together. And I will explain you everything in detail by a 1 hour session call. You can also book more hours if you're not pretty sure what you're doing, or you need to help by basically setting up exchanges and so on. Yeah, please come to my website and you can book the service, and we will set up this really, really profitable bot. And I will also give you other ideas about other bots, because the cool thing is with the backtester, you can test even all the other coins and see the yeah, potential of the bots. So thank you very much. I hope you liked the video. Give me a thumb up, comment, and hope to see you soon in the next days on my website, on Discord, and see you soon. Bye bye.